everyone!
Hi!
Welcome back to Explore Seattle IGTV. We are going to have some unboxing fun today and let's get to it. Alright, so who wants to do the honors?
Me.
You? Okay, ready? Go ahead.
Dead Sea Mineral Wipes with Aloe.
Oh, neat. So they're like makeup wipes, right? So makeup wipes, not just any makeup wipes though. These are Live Green Dead Sea Mineral Wipe. They are my favorites because they are so good. They feel so good on your skin. And some makeup wipes, they are a little bit harsh on the skin, even the sensitive ones. Hi, Jackie. You can say hi. But these are my absolute favorite and they take just about everything off. Love these. Again, these are Live Green Dead Sea Mineral Wipes. Jackie, you want to do this one? Yeah. Check it out. Okay, open it. What is that?
They're glasses.
They're drinking glasses. All right, so we just purchased these. These are JOYJOLT. That's the brand, tall drinking glasses, and they are 13. There are 13 fluid ounces. The reason why we purchased this one, hey Jackie, the reason why we purchased this particular glass is because it's tall and it's also very plain, and we like that. We like the simplistic design. Got it? Oh, very nice. Oh, you got it? Okay. Slowly. Oh, wow, these are really tightly packed. There you go. Want to open it and see what it looks like? Go ahead. Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, just show everyone, right, what it looks like. So it's thick on the bottom and it's quite thick on the top, and it's just a very simple and it's really pretty. Do you like it? You like it? Yeah. You can rip it, it's okay. Yeah, there you go. Oh, very nice, huh? Yep. 6 tall drinking glasses. This one is a little dirty, but that's okay. We can just take it off. Okay, let's take a closer look at these glasses. Oh, they're very, very beautiful. Can't wait to use them, huh? Gorgeous. All right, so now we are putting these to good use. Cheers, girls. Cheers. Again, the brand, hey Jackie, the brand is called JOYJOLT, and they're very cool glasses. And for the makeup wipes, Live Green Dead Sea Mineral Wipes.